introduction to costing a drink with Spec. We are going to see how you can quickly cost your drinks with no math and a few bits of information. So let's get started. First, we'll go to our product library and we'll add a few products that we're going to be using in our recipes. So I'm going to add limes, I'm going to add white cane sugar, and I'm going to add white rum. Now I'm going to assign a product family, category. I'm going to do the same for my limes, same for my sugar. Now we're going to go to our product format. So with my limes, that will be 1 unit. With my sugar, that will be a 20-pound bag. And my rum will be a 750 milliliter bottle. Now we'll go to our purchase units. So I have a case of limes. There will be 100 limes for $50. Then I'll have a bag of sugar. That'll be 1 bag for $20. And then my rum will be a bottle. That'll be 1 single bottle for $20 as well. Now we're going to go over to our recipes. So first, I'm going to create a lime juice recipe. And that's going to be at $20 an hour. It will take us about 15 minutes to make, and it will yield 1 liter. Now we're going to add an ingredient. So for this, we're going to use 20 limes. We are all finished here. Now we can add our simple syrup recipe. This is also going to be at $20 an hour. It's going to take us about 5 minutes to make, and it will also yield 1 liter. Now I'm going to add an ingredient here. I'm going to add 1 liter, and this is going to be a free text ingredient. So these are products that you don't necessarily want to track in your product library. So this is going to be water. Then I'm also going to add about 1,000 grams of sugar. All right, now we can add our daiquiri recipe. All right, and this is going to be about $5 an hour. This will take us 1 minute to make, and this will yield 1 daiquiri. Now we can add our ingredients. So first we're going to do 2 ounces of our rum. Add another ingredient. Now we're going to do 1 ounce of lime juice. And now we're also going to do 1 ounce of our simple syrup. And as you can see, we are accounting for our labor cost, our ingredient cost, and then you have your total cost. And we're done. With Spec, you can quickly cost beverage and food recipes, handle sub-recipe costing, account for labor costs, and more. Hope you enjoyed this quick introduction, and thanks for watching.